level a floor. That's what you've landed on. That's what we're going to be going over. I'm putting in a shower over here. This is the worst shower job I've ever seen. 5th graders probably put it together, or maybe even worse, kindergartners. I've already tried to level the corners over here. You see what I've done. And I've put in paint sticks to make up for the 1/2 inch that is missing when I checked my level over here. You see what I've done? Now it's actually flush on my wall, so when I go to put my backer board in my tile, everything will be flush. Same thing over here, a little bit of liquid nails should take care of the job. But this is more about a floor. Just throwing that in there because it has to do with leveling. Right now what we got going on is there is a dip going over here. Oh, sorry, wrong way. There's a dip going this way on my floor. So what I'm gonna do is I've bought some old Menards. If you don't have a Menards by you, look for Easy Level Premium Self-Leveling Underlayment. This bag was about 30 bucks if you want to get the same exact one. I've used it many times, it works great. Number 323. They have different numbers, so you can pause or take a look at that real quick. All right, so we're gonna mix it with water in a bucket. Consistency of not water, but more of like a wet substance. You're not gonna make it thick like you're laying tile mortar. That's more like peanut butter. I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's almost like a slushy. If you ever had a slushy from like one of them stores, like who sells Coke slushes or 7-Elevens or something, that's what you want it to look like, watery. So you can spread it, and any self-leveling always needs to be spread out. I'm going to be using this tool here. I'm going to vacuum the area that we're going to be putting the self-leveling mix together on. Just want to show you guys what kind of leveling problem we're dealing with. Look at that gap. We're going to fix that. I mean, I'm using a 3x5 sheet of backer board, which is cut to perfection at the factories. You can use it as a measuring tool by placing it up against the wall and the floor. I also knew that something was wrong when I put my level on the floor and the thing was out of whack. So we got a big dip in the center here, and it starts from where that bucket is all the way down to there. So you're gonna take a sponge, get it wet, not soaking, and just clean over the surface. This will give your Easy Level Premium Self-Leveling Underlayment a better bond. Right, go ahead and pour your self-leveling powder into your bucket. I'll probably end up using the whole bag, if not most of it. And there's instructions on the back on how much to use, but I'm just going to estimate it because I know what consistency I need. Probably going to put half the bag in there right now. We'll go from there. Bunch of water. I'm going to mix. Now I got it really soupy. Let me try to aim the camera. This is like a soupy water mix. I want it a little bit thicker than that. Well, a lot of it thicker than that. But this is not like mortar. It's a lot thinner. It's heavy like mortar, but once it hits water, it's not as thick. It's hard to get that peanut butter consistency that you get with mortar. I'm going to run this for about 2 minutes. I got it all mixed up. That's about the consistency I wanted. It's like a slushy, I guess you could say. I mean, I guess you really can't compare it to anything that I could think of. But I'm ready to put it down. Got my tool in one hand. Forget what you call these things. They're soft on one end. Can't remember, sorry. And now we're ready to spread the stuff in all the affected areas. These are the worst areas right here. Alright, I'm gonna start spreading that. You know what, I think I might even need another bag. This might not be the end of this. I'm pretty sure of it actually. But it is what it is. I'll do one coat now and one coat later. See how far we get. In about 4 to 6 hours, this should be all ready. But that's if I didn't need another coat. So the worst of my area was right here where my shower is going to go into. And you guys can use a level too. I have a level right here, and it'd be a good idea to just get it dirty and check everything what you're doing. But I don't think I'm there yet. I mean, you can see the stuff just seeping into where it needs to go. Probably buy one more bag. 60 bucks a bag to get your floor where you want it. And just play with it. Let it spread out where it needs to go. You can see how it just filled in the center. Pretty bad though. And that's about it, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Just keep watching. If you want to keep watching, I'll keep recording. Show you guys how it goes. I know where my dip starts because I checked it with my leveling bar, so I know just to play with it right in there, and I'm just grazing it. I know where I need to go right up to in order to get it where I want it. It sucks. This could have all been avoided if somebody would have probably used a level when they built the house, but they would get good people to do their job all the time. You get a bunch of crappy workers. It could have saved me a bunch of time, I'll tell you that. I would have loved to start building my shower curb or tiling or something instead of doing this crap. But it is what it is. The product's out there. There is a ton of different type of leveling. There's level liquid. There's already pre-mixed if you guys don't want to mix it. So there's a lot of other products out there on the market. If you guys want to check that out. This is not the only product on the market. Just so you know. And I was going to time lapse this, but I'm sure people want to see it in real time. See how it's done. And if you come back and you think you take your leveling bar, come back in about 4 hours. You could actually like sand this stuff off if you put too much on there, but as long as you play with it like this, I don't think you'll put too much on there. You can actually see where there's like light hills over here or there, and they'll start to blend in. But this stuff is great. There's some people that think they could just use mortar and put mortar down to level a floor. You're not supposed to put it more than 1/4 of an inch with mortar. You're not supposed to go thicker than that, so you shouldn't use that. I know you'd love to save the $30 on the bag that this stuff costs, but you know, go ahead and buy the right stuff if you're gonna, you know, do a good job. If you want to do a shitty job, go ahead. It could end up cracking later on you. Don't forget to cover your shower hole. I got tape on that because I don't want nothing getting in my screw holes that I'm gonna put my shower pan into. But pretty happy with the stuff. It does the job. I think I got this section where I want it. Come around over here. You know, one bag might do the job. I'm not 100% sure, but once I check it with my level, I'll find out. I mean, if it's just a hair off over here or there, I could live with it and probably blend it in with my tile when I do my tile job. But the main concern here was when I put my glass shower door in, it had no room for uneven walls or out of the wall plumbing. So it had to be perfect. I've been messing with every level piece of this shower since I started. I'm gonna be close to having enough here. Pretty much breathed in where I need it. If I would have had a third more of a bag, I would have been in good shape. Need a little bit of water here, so that's what I'm doing. I got my sponge and I just put some water on there, just a little bit. Started to dry up a little over there. Stuff's great, it dries up pretty quick. Gosh, I wish I had just a little bit more. It is what it is. Might have to buy another bag just because I need just a little bit, just to be safe. A little bit of water there. I'm not sure if I'm in your guys' camera view or not. Let me go check. Yeah, you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll come over here. Yeah, so if this video helps you out, all I ask is to give me a quick thumbs up. You know, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe, but thumbs up would help. Yeah, that's all the self-leveling that I get out of this. So. Not bad though for one bag. I don't know, man. I'm still gonna try to blend it in everywhere that I can, just in case it may be enough. If it's not, then I won't know until after I put my level in there. I'm probably not gonna get it all messy. I'll just check it after it's done. You could, if you want to get your level all messy, then you just gotta clean it. That's all. But when you're around the edges right here, just smooth it out. You want to smooth them all out. That's all you're doing. Make it flush, like I don't know, like when you're on the ocean and you can see the waves splashing. It's just flat. That's what it looks like right here. Like this is the water, and you're just flattening it. I don't know if that makes any sense. Definitely got some unleveled areas near the toilet here. I hope I'm in your camera view. I'm not sure if I am, but I'm not doing anything special, just blending it in. Turn my camera just in case, working up in the area. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. Gonna add a little bit of water. It's starting to dry around the edges, because that's where I'm gonna need to smooth it out. I hate when you watch a YouTube video and they just tell you what to do and stop. That's why I decided to just keep recording. And if there's something you guys want to keep watching, though, for you, those of you who don't want to watch no more, you just click off. For those who do want to know exactly how it's done, not just be told. All right, just a quick trick for you guys: get your sponge wet, and just to smooth out your edges right here, get your sponge wet right when it starts to dry, and go around your entire area that you have, and just smooth it out. It'll save you a ton of time picking at it when it's all hard and dry. So look at that, guys. I now have a flush floor. I'm more than excited. It was really devastating. So it will be for you, but don't worry, there is a fix for it. And this video just showed you how to do it.